You know, this entire summer we've talked about things you can do to your boat, maybe some different options for rigging, motors, maintenance, all that sort of stuff. I wanted to touch quickly now on transitional movements, that summer to fall transition for catching fish. Maybe a fishing tip would help. So for me, as we transition from summer to fall, we start to see cooler water, we start to see thermocline changes, you start to see a number of die-off weed growth and all that sort of stuff. So what I like to do as we get into late summer, I like to start relocating towards maybe some shallower structure. You're still going to have some fish sitting out deep, and that's important that you pay attention to some of those deep fish and see how they're making migration movements. But start to tool around the shallow water. You're going to see some of the weeds start to really drop. On your heavy milfoil lakes, you're going to see the milfoil start to lay down. You're going to see lily pads become more abundant, and you're going to have the ability to fish through them. So now you can start to fish in these shallow water spots. And as we get towards later fall where they start to pull dock lines, I have a lot of success along shoreline structure because that brings in bait fish. You still have weeds going on in there. A lot of things happen. Also look for channel areas in the fall because that's going to draw in some current. That's going to keep bait fish blooming. And what happens when there's bait fish? You're going to get some predator fish to move in. So as we move into the late summer months, as we're seeing right now, continue to focus on some deep structure, watch your electronics, see if you mark some fish. If you're not marking fish, start to move shallow. Check that weed line, check inside the weeds, check the inside weed line. Start to find your favorite shorelines and start to fish some of those spots. I like to start fishing bigger baits in the fall, but maybe a slower presentation. If you're fishing bass, maybe a bigger bladed spinner bait, slow roll, just enough to feel that blade thump will catch some fish. If you're starting to fish pike and muskies, topwater baits are excellent opportunities to fish in this fall months. If you're fishing walleyes, a lot of guys will start trolling shallow diving crankbaits along rip-rap shorelines and all that sort of stuff. So as we get into the late summer, start to relocate and start rethinking your patterns. Grab a lake map, look for some productive spots that might be more shallow orientated, gravel, rock, those sorts of things. So fall can bring a lot of excellent fishing opportunities. I would encourage you to get out there. You're going to have plenty of good fishing in October before you need to worry about dust and snow off your truck. So if you haven't considered fall fishing already, I would do that. Get out there, try some of those fall patterns, and hope it catches you a few more fish.